Case of an accused serial rapist continued today, as the judge now must decide whether or not to allow additional uncharged cases to be included. James Estep is charged with 30 counts involving 6 separate victims, and his attorneys want all 6 victims to have separate trials. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono is joining us live outside of Maricopa County Superior Court to sort all of this out. Bianca?
Yeah, Caribe, right now this is one big case and the allegations are very disturbing. In each of the 6 alleged incidents, there are similarities and differences. It's because of the differences, though, that James Estep's attorneys want all 6 of these cases to be separated.
Her credibility isn't there either.
Lengthy hearings for the case of an alleged serial rapist in the Valley, long before the case even goes to trial.
Consent did not exist.
James Estep, the defendant, facing a long list of disturbing sexual assault allegations, refused to be transported to the hearing, but it continued without him. And both the prosecution and the defense are making arguments about how they want the extensive case to move forward.
There's no physical evidence to corroborate this.
There is DNA.
Estep is charged with sexually assaulting or attempting to assault 6 women from 2018 to 2023 in Mesa, Tempe, and Phoenix. 3 women who were on foot in Mesa, a woman who was staying at his home, 1 woman he met at a bar in Tempe, and a 15-year-old girl he offered a ride home to. The different circumstances are part of the reason why Estep's attorneys want the counts severed, which would mean separate trials for all alleged victims. Criminal defense attorney Hector Diaz says a motion to sever is one of the first motions considered in a case like this.
Because of the potential prejudice that having multiple counts before a jury could have to the entirety of the case.
Meantime, the state has filed a separate motion of their own. In addition to the 6 cases already charged, they want to include details from 2 other alleged victims, despite the cases not getting charged.
It is common for the prosecutor to want to bring them in to give the jury a better appreciation, a better sense of who the individual is that's charged.
On Friday afternoon, Estep's defense team reminded the judge that the Maricopa County Attorney's Office declined to file charges against Estep multiple times last year.
Both of those were turned down because there was no reasonable likelihood of conviction.
Estep's lengthy indictment coming after the alleged assault of the 15-year-old victim and his 3rd arrest last year.
None of that really matters after the grand jury finds that probable cause exists.
And both motions are now in the hands of the judge. He'll decide what evidence can be included moving forward and if we'll have 1 or possibly up to 6 separate trials. The next hearing is set for early December. And by the way, the judge did say he will order that James Estep be there in person. We're live in Phoenix tonight. Bianca Bono, 12 News.